Are you looking to grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals? Look no further. Get ready to dive into a sea of exciting investment opportunities that await you in this dynamic realm. Capital markets offer a diverse range of investment options across various asset classes, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded fund, and derivatives. The CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, Elon Musk, has been a prominent figure in the capital markets due to his innovative approach to technology, transportation, and space exploration. Musk's net worth is heavily tied to the performance of Tesla's stock, which has experienced significant volatility in recent years. The concept of capital markets has roots that stretch back centuries, evolving over time to become the complex financial systems we see today. The origins of capital markets can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as Mesopotamia, Egypt, Greece, and Rome. These societies developed rudimentary financial systems that included trading of commodities, currencies, and debt instruments. During the Middle Ages, early forms of banking and credit emerged in Europe. Italian city-states like Venice and Florence became centers of commerce and finance, with merchant guilds and banking families facilitating trade and providing financial services. The first known government bond, issued by the Republic of Venice in 1157, marked an early form of public debt trading. The Industrial Revolution of the 18th and 19th centuries brought about profound changes in economies and financial systems. Rapid industrialization led to the formation of corporations, which required substantial capital investment. The 20th century witnessed the globalization and modernization of capital markets. Advances in technology, communication, and transportation facilitated the integration of financial markets across borders. Regulatory frameworks were established to govern securities trading, protect investors, and ensure market integrity. Major financial centers such as New York, London, Tokyo, and Hong Kong emerged as hubs of global finance. In recent decades, capital markets have continued to evolve with advancements in financial instruments, trading platforms, and regulatory regimes. Innovations such as derivatives, securitization, and electronic trading have transformed the landscape of finance, creating new opportunities and challenges for investors, businesses, and regulators. Bezos has made substantial investments in various sectors, including technology, space exploration, and media, and continues to have a significant influence on the capital markets through his ownership stake in Amazon and other ventures. Today, capital markets play a central role in the global economy, providing a mechanism for the allocation of capital, risk management, and investment opportunities. Investing in capital markets provides the potential for high returns over the long term. Historically, stocks and other equity investments have outperformed other asset classes such as bonds and cash equivalents, offering investors the opportunity to grow their wealth through capital appreciation. Capital markets allow investors to diversify their portfolios across a wide range of asset classes, sectors, and geographic regions. Diversification helps spread risk and reduce the impact of adverse events on investment returns. By holding a diversified portfolio, investors can achieve a balance between risk and return, enhancing overall portfolio stability. Capital markets provide liquidity by enabling investors to buy and sell financial securities easily and quickly. Investments in real estate or private equity, which may be illiquid and difficult to sell, investments in stocks, bonds, and other publicly traded assets can be easily converted into cash at fair market prices. Capital markets offer a wide range of investment opportunities across different asset classes and industries. Investors can choose from a variety of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, derivatives, and other financial instruments, allowing them to tailor their investment strategies to their specific goals. Capital markets operate within a regulatory framework that requires companies to disclose relevant financial information and adhere to reporting standards. As a result, investors have access to timely and transparent information about the financial performance, operations, and prospects of publicly traded companies. This transparency helps investors make informed decisions and assess investment opportunities effectively. The chairman and CEO of LVMH, Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton, Bernard Arnault, oversees a luxury goods empire that includes brands such as Louis Vuitton, Dior, and Sephora. Arnault's wealth is influenced by the performance of LVMH's stock, which is listed on various stock exchanges, billionaires who have made a profound impact on the capital markets through their business ventures. investments, and entrepreneurial endeavors. It's important to note that the rankings and net worth figures of billionaires can fluctuate over time due to capital market stocks. Overall, capital markets provide investors with numerous advantages, including the potential for high returns, diversification, liquidity, access to investment opportunities, transparency, inflation protection, and tax advantages. By leveraging these advantages effectively, investors can build and manage wealth, achieve their financial goals, and secure their long-term financial futures. Capital markets are an essential component of the financial system, facilitating the exchange of capital between investors and entities in need of funding. These markets play a crucial role in the economy by channeling savings and investments towards productive activities, thereby fueling economic growth. We call it primary market when new securities are issued and sold for the first time. Entities, such as corporations and governments, raise capital by issuing stocks, bonds, or other financial instruments to investors. The security issues are bought and sold among investors without the involvement of the issuing company. The secondary market provides liquidity to investors by enabling them to trade their securities easily. Capital markets provide a platform for companies and governments to raise funds for investment in new projects, expansion, or infrastructure development. The interaction of supply and demand in capital markets determines the prices of securities, reflecting investors' expectations about the future performance of companies and economies. Investors use capital markets to diversify their portfolios and manage risk exposure through various financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, and derivatives. Efficient capital markets allocate resources to their most productive uses, fostering innovation, entrepreneurship, and economic development. Stock market enables the buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. Investors purchase stocks with the expectation of capital appreciation and dividends. Bond market represent debt obligations issued by governments, municipalities, or corporations. Investors buy bonds, lending money to the issuer in exchange for periodic interest payments and the repayment of the principal amount at maturity. Derivatives market are financial contracts whose value is derived from an underlying asset, such as stocks, bonds, commodities, or currencies. Derivatives allow investors to hedge risk, speculate on price movements, or gain exposure to various asset classes. Forex market facilitates the exchange of currencies between participants, such as banks, corporations, and governments. It's crucial for international trade and investment as well as for managing currency risk. As we conclude, remember that the world of capital markets is ever evolving, offering both opportunities and challenges for investors. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just beginning to explore the possibilities, staying informed and adaptable is key to navigating this complex landscape. We hope this video has provided valuable insights and sparked your curiosity to learn more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates as we continue to explore the fascinating realm of finance together.